said no. And Berklet drives one into right field. It's going to be caught out there. Heinzman comes up firing. That throw is in time, and he should be out. Rasmus will go to third. What a get down to slide here by Allen. Heinzman made a heck of a throw.
He's going up to field the ball, so he has the right to go to field the ball. So if the question is if he was impeding with the runner's ability to get to home plate, I think he's got the right to go up the line to catch the baseball.
Yeah.
What a job hanging on to that.
No question, yes.
Incredible.
Allen lowers his shoulder right here.
Wow. Well, he takes a pretty good shot.
He takes a shot. And how he held onto it, to your point, is fairly remarkable. Pudge Rodriguez like that in the World Series for the Florida Marlins.
Just needed to hold the ball up there.
Yeah, show him.
That was a good look there, Rav, how he's not just standing there. He moved up the line to go catch the baseball.
That's what Rasmus is suggesting. To a double play.
And we lost track of all this, but Artie Heinzman, how about the throw? Washington keeps the deficit at 3.